was frustrated about my YouTube growth. So I stopped blaming the algorithm. Instead, I tested it. And what happened in 48 hours changed how I see YouTube forever. Now, before you think this is some secret tricks nobody knows about, no, it's not. But small creators ignore it, and that is the mistake. The hack review. The hack was simple. I optimized only for click-through rate and audience retention. Nothing else. I focus on making one video better. 1. I redesigned my thumbnail to create curiosity. 2. I rewrote my first 15 seconds of my video. 3. I changed the title to focus on results, not myself. So I'll be sharing with you the 5 results I saw when I apply the strategy into my content. Result 1, more clicks. The first thing I noticed, my click-through rate went up. This means more people who saw my video actually click on it. If nobody clicks, YouTube stop pushing your videos. Simple. Result 2 I discover is high watch time. The second result is about people stayed to watch my video. I remove long intro music. I stopped saying, "Hey guys, welcome back." Instead of that, I went straight to the value. The first 10 seconds of your video decide everything. Result 3, more impression. YouTube started showing my video to more people, to more audience, because people clicked and stay. YouTube tested it on bigger audience. Algorithm follow behavior, not acts. So the result 4 is more engagement. This means people watching my video engage on my content, they like it, they comment. So I ended my video with direct question, not like and subscribe, but re-question. For example, what is your big struggle on YouTube? This invites connection with you and your audience. Result 5, momentum. The 5th result wasn't just numbers, it was momentum. For the first time, I felt YouTube was working with me, not against me. The re-truth section I realized is that there is no algorithm hack. There is only human psychology. If people click, YouTube pushes. If people watch, YouTube pushes more. And if people engage, YouTube trusts your video. That is it. Simple and powerful. So I'm going to test another YouTube growth strategy on my next video. Something completely different. If you want to see the results, comment test it below.